guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be rebuilding this lip right there. This is as big a jump I have, and I want to build the lip from how tall it is, which is there, to about there, and pull it back maybe to like here, because I think that would be a nice size and that it would fit my standards, because right now it's a pretty small jump and I want it to be a lot bigger. So let's just time lapse it right now. Let's go. I did it. I built like kind of the lip. It looks kind of big because there's the lip right there and the landing's like way over there. I'll show you. Alright, so here's the landing right here. Lips all the way over there. Landings there. Lips back there. It's pretty big. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough speed for it, but I might. I'm not sure. But, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna dig a spoon for it. What that is, it's like a little thing in the ground so that it can, like, help with how the jump feels. I'll time lapse that real quick. Alright, so just in case for when I do hit it, if I case, I think I'm gonna mellow out the knuckle on the landing so that it's like that, and it's just all flat instead of having the landing kind of go up. And I think that'll make me feel better so that I can just kind of land flat without having to really do anything. And I'll time lapse that. Alright, so I leveled it out, and I'd say that is the end of the video. Wait, hold up. Editor clip. We'll hit the jump in the next video, okay? Make sure to subscribe, like, and share to anyone who might like it. See ya.